Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ke Dorbar Tlang hakiyeng Dorbar Thawan ke jela kaban sesedang nadu ke pratrek mentau nok pra. Lakmi lenti bakan salong ke Khluit ba ke Ïatai namar ke NPP ke lakhi banwanra ya ke jingbam syani asu yu songknor ke yeng Dorbar Thawan U80 mandal komisi bentaru ban Pynkhreh ya ke sarkar MUA2. Kisan ngot ke MLA ke Kongres ki batmu ban kentiap seng noru. Kidan la kejong kejing temu banyak de kiwai pat kilat kelenti ban kedong yak sarkar u Dr. Mukul Sangma haba jubab yakni henne ke singi kan retrek unai weng ulong ba sko phala yakni namar ulalong ba la Pynkhreh lupa kaste bat yakinia ban penpai bat Ïatai nia.
See, definitely that's why I have always maintained, okay, as a chief minister it is also very important for me to know what is happening, who is doing what. That's why I'm telling I know what is happening, who is doing what, I know it. Okay. Providing opportunity is also my responsibility. Okay. If somebody is perceived to be aggrieved, maybe an opportunity to serve the people from a position which is considered as a better position to serve the people may ultimately, enable him to realize his potentiality and his value. The job of a minister looking after CNRD, looking after power department, crucial sector, NGAD, they're very important departments. Forest and environment, all those other departments, very important. So many things are there, everything is important. Everything is linked to, issues, which has its ramification on the future of the state, which has got its ramification in relation to the issue of larger good of the people. So what is good for people and what can actually be seen as a larger good is more important than something which is linked to individual.
Are you not regretting inducting him?
Why will I regret? If I don't induct him, people would have said because he did not induct him, that's why he has left. Now people know that he was given an opportunity also, he was given a platform also, he was given all that he wanted also, but still he left. Yeah. So I've done my job.
This is a kind of fast solution that achievement side being by every political party that bring you as a politician, all these things.
You see, number one, it is not my job to clarify on this. My job is only to drag them to a legal battle. Okay. Some of them have withdrawn their statement. Okay. People who don't have issues are demonstrating their level of frustration and anger. Okay. All these things, these desperate moves and other things are all demonstration of their frustration and anger, nothing else. I am telling you, we are coming back with close to 40 seats in 2018. Just watch my word.